Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, are you ready to take your coding journey to the next level? Welcome to Snipbyte, your one stop destination for a world of coding templates and opportunities. We understand that coding is not just a passion, it's a way of life. That's why we offer a wide range of free and premium coding templates to empower your projects. But we are not stopping there. We have embarked on a path to monetization. Yes, you heard it right. When you meet our criteria, let's say reaching 10k followers and getting 5k likes, the doors to financial rewards swing wide open. It's time to turn your coding skills into cold, hard cash. So now let me tell you that how you can earn money on snipbyte.com. So to do this, you have to type snipbyte.com over here and press enter. So this is the website that I was talking about. So as you can see, we have a lot of templates. If you come over this menu of projects, we have a lot of templates. We have a hotel management system, attendance management system. Let's say you like this one, business portfolio website. So you can simply come over here, and also you can view the live preview as well. As you can see, this website has a very nice live preview. And if you want to get the source code of this website, you can also view the documentation written over here and just copy the whole source code and paste it in your own text editor, so you will be able to run this project. So now let me tell you that how you can add your own projects in this website, and also you can earn money by adding your projects. We have a criteria, we have a monetization criteria. After reaching that criteria, you will be able to earn some money. To do this, you have to register on our site snipbyte.com. You have to fill out these credentials. After filling out these credentials, you have to log in. So let me log in. So as you can see, now we have this button over here, explore dashboard. But when we were logged out, we don't have this button over here. So you have to click on this button, explore dashboard. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. By default, this page will be empty. You will be able to see only this part over here. So also this is a beta version. More features are coming soon. We are working on it. But the monetization policy is active. You can earn money by uploading your own projects, your own coding templates. So first of all, you have to come over here, upload project, or you can also click on this menu right here. So let me click on this upload project. So as you can see, I have a form over here. So I have to fill this form. So first of all, you have to upload the thumbnail image. Keep in mind that we accept only WebP image. So if you don't know what's the WebP, basically WebP is an image format. You can convert any image into WebP. There are many websites, let's say PNG to WebP. So this is the website. So you have to upload your PNG or JPG image over here. And when, let's say I'm going to upload this one, this is the PNG file. Whenever I will click on this, I have to convert this into WebP. When I will click on convert, it will convert that particular image into WebP format. So after converting, I can download it, but I'm not going to download it at this time. After downloading it, I have to upload it over here. So we accept only WebP images. After that, you have to enter the title of the project. Let's say e-commerce website landing page template. Make sure that this title should be user friendly and it should be to the point. Like it should contain all the words that are important for SEO. It will help you to rank your project because the more user you will get to your project, the more money you will be able to earn. So this is the most important part. After that, if you have a live preview of your project, let's say you have hosted your code snippet into a GitHub or any other link, so you have to paste that particular link over here. If you have a live preview link, if you don't have it, then it's not a problem, but if you have, you have to paste it over here. After that, this is a demo video src. If you have a demo video like YouTube video, but keep in mind, for YouTube video, you have to enter the embedded video link, not the YouTube SRC. Let's say this is the video. You don't have to copy this link. You have to come over here and from here you have to click on share, and then you have to click on embed. And now you have to copy this part. After copying this part, paste it in any of the text editor. So paste it over here. So from here you have to copy this src link, this one. So copy this and paste it over here. So this is the src link I was talking about. This is the embedded video src link. You have to copy that one. So after that, if you have a source code link, let's say Google Drive link or any other source code link, let's say you don't want to display your code snippet in the description, you want to add the download source code link, so you can also do that. Let's say if I have a project over here, and let's say this is the project, and let me open two projects. So as you can see, this project has source code over here in this format, in the form of code snippet. So the code snippet will be displayed through this part. But if you want to add a link, to download link of source code, like let's say if you have a large source code and you don't want to display all the source code over here, you can also enter the link of that downloadable file over here. So this is the download source code option. This will display it if you fill out this form. And after that, you have to enter the description of that particular project. This is the most important part of your project. This should be user friendly. Also, this should contain all the documentation, like all the step-by-step guide, and all the keywords that your project have. This will help you to rank your project on Google and on other platforms as well. So you can, if you want to enter the heading, you can choose the headings, and in between this you have to enter the heading. And if you want a simple paragraph, you have to type over here. And if you want subheading, you can choose h2. And I know that this part is not user friendly yet, but I have created a complete tutorial that how you can write description on Snipbyte. We are improving this part because we are not using any text editor. We have created our own text editor, but we are improving it. If you click on this icon or this paragraph, you will be able to see a demo video that how you can write a description on Snipbyte. So if I run this video,
when you start typing in the text editor, your content will automatically be rendered as a paragraph on the front end type, and it becomes a paragraph. When you enclose your text within H1,
so as you can see in this video, I have explained each and every step related to project description. So I'm not going to describe it again. If you have any problems, you can view this video, and all your problems will be resolved. But in case if you have any queries, you can ask me directly in the comment section. Also, this is the short description, like 43 characters for project and 205 characters for blog. So this description will be displayed over here. Let me show you. If you click on projects, as you can see, e-commerce landing page using Tailwind, e-commerce landing page design templates. So this is the short template. It will help our users to search your projects. So make sure that this description is eye-catching and attractive. After that, there is a language part. You have to tell that in which languages your project is made of. Let's say HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. You have to enter all the languages that you use to create this project. Make sure you have to enter the comma before adding the next language. Let's say HTML, then comma, then CSS, then comma, then Bootstrap. You can write as much languages as you want. After that, there is a category like this is a free project or paid project. Currently, we are not supporting paid projects. We are only working free projects, but we are working on the paid projects as well. This feature will be available soon. But right now, we are working on free projects only. After that, you have to enter the type. Let's say it's a project or it's a blog. So basically, if you are writing a blog, let's say for guest posting and stuff like that, you can also write a blog for blog as well. You to advertise your website, to promote your website, but make sure that this blog should be related to our niche, like related to coding. Blog, all the blogs will be displayed over here, this part. So as you can see, we have some blogs over here. You can also write down your own blog as well. So we support blogs and projects as well. The project will be displayed over here and the blog will be displayed over here. So after that, you have to enter the tags that basically use the user friendly tags. This will help the Google or other search engines to promote your website, to promote your template. So let's say coding projects, then comma, templates, then comma, Snipbyte, comma. So you have to enter the comma after writing each tag. So you can write as much tag as you want. This will help you to promote your website. Also at the end you have to enter the slug. Basically slug is the URL. This part you can use your custom slug. So let's say your project title is e-commerce website landing page template, so you can create this slug as well, e-commerce website landing page template. Keep in mind that SEO friendly slug will help you to get more users. So by this way you can able to upload your project. After uploading the project, you will be redirected toward dashboard. So by default, your project will be in pending state. I have two projects uploaded as a user, so that's why there is written that approved and the green color over here. But by default your project will be in pending state. It will take some time for admin, let's say off half an hour, or they usually approve the project within an hour or half an hour. So after approval, your project will be approved, and you can view that project in the front end. As you can see, this is the project I have uploaded. This has the live preview, this has a documentation. Make sure that this documentation should be user friendly, so that more user like our project and they follow us. So now let me tell you that how you can earn money from Snipbyte. So basically the user will be able to like your project or unlike it. Let's say currently it has no like. When I will click on like, it has one like. So whenever you will meet the criteria of 5k likes and 10k followers, let's say you have 5 posts, 5 blogs or 5 projects, and you got 1k likes on each of your project, so it will be considered as total amount of 5k likes. So basically your monetization criteria of 5k likes will be completed. You don't have to get the 5k likes in each of your posts. Basically the total amount of likes should be 5k. So now if you click on this name over here, you will be redirected to that user profile. So as you can see, I have 2 likes, I have 2 posts, and I have 1 like on each post. So the total number of likes are 2. So whenever you will get the 5k likes and 10k followers, you will be able to earn a good amount of money from snipbyte.com. So keep in mind that this website is a new website and it is growing very fastly. So it's a good chance for you to make account on this website and get some followers and likes. So you will be able to monetize your profile. After monetization, you will see a verified icon over here, and then you will be able to earn a very good amount of money from snipbyte.com. So if you have any piece of code, let's say the footer designs or a small piece of code, make sure that you uploaded it in a right way. You added a good description. If you have a live preview, it will add a very good impression. Let's say I uploaded a footer and it has a live preview, so it will help me to attract more users. So make sure to add a live preview as well to get more followers, and after getting some followers and likes, you will be able to earn a good amount of money. So you don't have to sell your products or sell your templates. You can use mini templates. As you can see, these are just footers, nothing else. So use your creativity, attract more users, and earn a good amount of money. So I hope that you will like this video, and in case of any query, you can contact us through this messenger icon as well, or you can contact us through this contact page, or you can simply comment below. I will respond each of your queries. I will see you next time with a new project. Until then, take care.